how to log into your Pinterest account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you sign in or log into your Pinterest account. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Pinterest login. After you search it, you can easily find the Pinterest login site from here. So simply tap on login here. After you come on the official login page of Pinterest, you'll have to just provide your email or password to log into your Pinterest account, or you can also continue with your Facebook or Google account. Alright, as you can see, I have continued with my Google account, so I will be able to log in or sign in with my Google account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. While you can log in with your Google account or entering your email or password, and directly you can log in with your Facebook account also. So this is the easiest and simplest method to be log into your Pinterest account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.